Hello everyone, this is Francisco, your English teacher. Welcome to this second class. This is the video for the storytelling. Okay, pay attention. Okay, the topic is one small word. Can you see it here? One small word. Look at the picture. You can see there is a man with a guitar playing the guitar, and there are many children from different parts of the world. Okay, that's the topic of this. You can then word map there, and different children. Look, in Bogota, in Europe, in Australia, etc. Okay, now one small word. That's the topic. Listen to this. Sam lives in New York. He works on the banks of the Hudson River. Jean-Paul lives in Paris in a flat near the Eiffel Tower. Jem lives in Cambodia, in the capital city, Phnom Penh. Sarah lives in London. He likes to listen to chimes of Big Ben. So many cities in one small word. People live in South America in Bogota. People live in Australia in Canberra. In Europe, in Asia, and Africa. Rome, Beijing, and Nairobi. Paris, Calcutta, and Tripoli. Natasha lives in Moscow. She walks past the Kremlin in the winter snow. Hai lives in Cairo, the home of the Phoenix, the land of pharaohs. One small word. That was the topic for today's video class, okay? I hope you like it. Please repeat the video as many times as possible, okay? Thank you very much. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye.